Welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today we have the Covergirl Jammy Lip Mask. I'm from Canada, so I was actually able to get this before it came on the shelves. I went to a couple Shoppers Drug Marts and asked if they had it because it showed stock online. And one of them finally said, yes, we do have it. It's not on the shelves yet, but we can give it to you. Here it is. There is a twist right here, which I did not know. And you just twist it. I wasn't sure if it was twist or if it would be like squeeze, but it is twist. The formula is thick. And this is whipped lavender. It actually smells like lavender, which is awesome. So like I said, the texture is thick. I'm going to put some on now because I have nothing on my lips right now. And it's no mess applicator, so you just twist and apply. I've been using this for a couple nights now, and when I wake up in the middle of the night, my lips are still moisturized and the mask is still on there, so my lips are not dry. This is kind of similar to a Plush Puddin' lip mask from Rihanna. I don't know if you guys tried that or not, but it's quite similar. Overall, I would rate this lip mask an 8 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this review. Stay tuned for more beauty videos.